everyone, this is my English descriptive vlog. Right now, I'm in Mangrove, Tarakan. I came here around 9 o'clock after the rain, so I want to show you guys how this place looks and feels today. Check it out! The rain had just passed, and now the sun is starting to shine over the area. You guys can see the light slowly touching the wooden pathway, helping it dry little by little. There are still drops of water hanging on the leaves, and they make everything look fresh and sparkling. The trees look greener than before, like the rain just cleaned them. The air feels cool, but the sunlight also brings a warm feeling. It's really calming. As I walk further, this wooden pathway takes me deeper into the mangrove forest. On both sides, mangrove roots grow in many interesting shapes. Some look tall and pointed, while others spread widely across the ground. Along the wooden pathway, there are information boards that explain the mangrove plains and the wildlife living here. So, while enjoying the scenery, visitors can also learn something new about this ecosystem. I also saw a statue of a proboscis monkey near the pathway. Many visitors were lining up to take pictures with it, which shows that it has become one of the main photo spots in this area. And this is the moment many visitors come for, seeing the animals. I saw a group of proboscis monkeys gathered near the pathway. Some of them were feeding and eating calmly together. One or two were sitting on the trees quietly observing their surroundings. They look very relaxed and seem completely used to people watching them. It almost felt like our presence did not bother them at all. Later, I also saw another group of monkeys along the pathway. To be honest, my friend and I felt a little nervous because monkeys can sometimes be unpredictable. So we decided to record them from a safe distance. When one of them started moving closer toward us, we stopped filming and chose to walk around another way. Even though it was a bit scary, it was still an interesting experience. For a short moment, I noticed a squirrel nearby, but when it realized people were around, it quickly ran and climbed up the tree. It happened so fast, but it was still exciting to see. Near the water, I saw a white bird flying from a short distance. When I looked more carefully, I realized it was not alone. There were several other birds gathered together nearby. On the other side, I also noticed mudskippers, or locally called ikan tembakau, moving quickly near the mangrove roots. They were very agile, jumping and sliding across the wet surface. At that time, there were also kindergarten and elementary school students visiting the area. They walked together, looked curious, and listened carefully to their teachers. It's nice to see young students learning directly from nature. After exploring this place, I feel that the mangrove forest is not only beautiful but also very important. The fresh air, the wildlife, and the green scenery make it a meaningful place to visit and learn. Overall, Mangrove Tarakan looks green, natural, and calming today. So, thank you for watching my descriptive vlog. See you again. Bye bye. Dadah.
This is the number one.